Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the original cases available for the OnePlus Nord. So these are the official cases available for the OnePlus Nord, and we have the OnePlus Nord with us, the blue variant with us. So we're going to talk about these official cases. So these comes in three colors. One, we have the blue. It's actually called the Nord blue color. So it's the sandstone bumper case, the OnePlus Nord sandstone bumper case. It's called the Nord blue. Then we have the clear case. Here you can see that the clear bumper case is what it is called. Then finally we have the black one. So sandstone black is the one which is the third one. So these are the three official cases from OnePlus for the Nord. Now we're going to try these cases and just show you how they fit in. So first we'll see the Nord blue here. So there you go. So the Nord blue, this is the Nord blue. You can see that it's kind of matte finish. It's kind of sandstone finish here. You have the OnePlus logo as well. The cutout looks good, and you also have a grip here. You can see this is a pattern on the side panel giving a good grip on the device, and bottom also we have this cut. So it looks pretty good. We also have the power button opening here. In fact, it's not an opening, it's a button here, and even for the volume keys also is there, and we have the alert slider opening as well. Now you can see that this is a very hard plastic, so you can see that this is quite hard plastic, not a soft silicone case, and we have the designed by OnePlus mentioned at the back. So this is the standard case, the Nord blue case. We'll just put the device in the Nord blue. So there you go. If you have the blue device, probably blue does make sense. You can see it's almost the same color. So if you use the blue variant of OnePlus Nord, probably this makes sense. So that's the Nord blue. It's quite comfortable again. Now next let's see the clear case. So we'll just take the clear case. So there you go. So again pretty good in terms of build quality. So unlike the Nord blue case, this is not a matte finish. Obviously this is a glossy finish. You can see it's a clear case, and again the cutout looks pretty good. You can see that there is a opening for the alert slider and the button for the power and the volume rockers, and here again you have the opening for the microphone as well as the USB Type-C port. Now again this is a pretty hard plastic. You can see that it is quite a hard plastic. We'll just put this in the case. So there you go. If you want to actually show the blue color of your device, or rather the black color, the gray color of the OnePlus Nord, this is probably the best option because it gives a clear perspective of the device. So especially if you want to show the blue color, this is quite a good option because it actually shows the OnePlus device along with the clear case. So that's the clear case for the OnePlus Nord. Now we'll just showcase the last one. This is the black variant. So this is more of an elegant case. So you can see here it fits in for all the devices. So this is the elegant case, so the black case, and here again you can see the matte finish looks really good. And so this is again the sandstone black variant, OnePlus logo, all the cuts are in place, fits in perfectly. Again the material quality looks really sturdy. Now we'll just put the device here. So there you go. It looks again really good. It's a classic finishing and looks good in hands as well. So there you go. You can see that black looks pretty good. So these are the three cases for the OnePlus Nord. So we'll just showcase them once again. So three cases available. So these are the three cases, and based on your device you can pick one of these, and probably it's very difficult to suggest one. Again, it's a personal choice. If you want more of an elegant design, probably the black one is the best choice, but if you want vibrant and colorful case, obviously the Nord blue is the one, or you can go with the clear case in case you have the Nord blue variant. So that was the three cases, the official cases from OnePlus for the Nord. So the sandstone variants, the blue, Nord blue and the black variant cost 790. That's 790 rupees. We'll share the link in the description of this video, but we couldn't get the pricing of the clear case, so we'll just update once we have the details. So these are the three official cases. Apart from that, there are creator cases available. So those are a bit more expensive cases, including some of the cases, more funkier cases. So you can check out that cases as well. These are the three cases which are like entry level cases, which is priced 790 rupees in India. So that is the official cases for the OnePlus Nord. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.